To create and send an invoice using TelePrime, follow these steps. Open TelePrime. Launch TelePrime on your computer and select the appropriate company from the company selection screen. Activate invoicing feature. Go to Gateway of Tele, F11 Features, F2 Inventory Features. Enable the option Invoicing by setting it to Yes. Create a sales ledger. Navigate to Gateway of Tele, Accounts Info, Ledgers, Create. Enter the ledger name, select Sales Accounts as the group, and configure necessary tax details. Create inventory items. Go to Gateway of Tele, Inventory Info, Stock Items, Create. Enter item details such as name, unit of measure, and applicable tax rates. Create custom ledger. Navigate to Gateway of Tele, Accounts Info, Ledgers, Create. Enter the customer name, select Sundry Debtors as the group, and enter contact details. Create the invoice. Go to Gateway of Tele, Vouchers, F8 Sales. Select the customer ledger. Enter the date and invoice number. Add inventory items by selecting them, entering quantities, and verifying unit prices. Review tax details and totals. Customize invoice details. Add any additional notes or terms in the narration field. Ensure all entries are correct and complete. Save and print the invoice. Press Ctrl+A to save the invoice. To print, press Alt+P, select the invoice format, and configure print settings as needed. Send the invoice. You can either print the invoice for physical delivery or export it as a PDF for electronic sending.